Good morning. Wishing you a day full of sunny smile and happy thoughts. Welcome to Class 1. I am Khushbu Gajjar, an educator at Delhi Public School, Gandhinagar. Subject English, Session 2020 and 21. Today's topic is the moon in a bowl. Lesson number 6. Real English, a multi-skill language course book of grade 1. Let us read the lesson and understand the story. Page number 33. The moon in a bowl. Ajay is eating dinner. Vani is crying. She is his little sister. She does not want to eat her food. Grandmother takes Vani outside the house. Vani looks up. The stars are twinkling in the sky. The moon is shining brightly among them. Vani is happy to see the night sky. She asks grandmother to get the moon for her. Ajay hears Vani and laughs. Ha 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 ha. Grandmother says, I will get the moon for you. But you have to finish the dinner first. Vani goes inside and starts eating her food. Ajay looks at grandmother. He wonders how she will get the moon for Vani. Vani finishes her food. Grandmother goes to the kitchen. She comes with a big bowl of water. She goes outside. The children follow her. Okay, you can see a box over here. There is a word inside it. Wonders. The meaning of it is things. Grandmother keeps the bowl on the grass. She calls Vani and says, here is the moon, but don't touch it. If you do, it will go away. Vani looks inside the bowl. She can see the moon in the water. She is very happy. She looks at grandmother and gives a sweet smile. Let us look at the summary of the story that we just read and understood. Ajay and his family were having dinner and Vani didn't want to eat the dinner. To convince Vani, grandmother takes Vani outside the house. After looking at the twinkling stars and shining moon, Vani asks grandmother to get the moon for her. Grandmother promises to get the moon for her, but only after she finishes her food. Ajay starts wondering that how grandmother will do it. Vani quickly finishes her food. Grandmother brings a big bowl of water from the kitchen and goes outside. She keeps the bowl of water on the grass. She calls out Vani and says, here is the moon, but don't touch it. If you do, it will go away. Vani is very happy after looking at the reflection of the moon in the water. She gives a sweet smile to grandmother. Let us look at the new words that we learned in the lesson. Dinner. D-I-N-N-E-R. That means the meal that you have at night. Wonder. W-O-N-D-E-R. Wonder means thinking. or thinks. Laugh, Laugh. That means smiling aloud. Ha 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 ha. Shining, Shining. Touch, Touch. Touch. Twinkling, Twinkling. Twinkling. Bowl, Bowl. Bowl is a utensil. Brightly, Brightly. Brightly. Let us read them again. Dinner, wonder, laugh, shining, touch, twinkling, bowl, brightly. Exercise number 2. Notebook work. Make sentences for the following words. Bowl. Grandmother brings a bowl of water. Shining. The stars are shining in the sky. Moon. The moon is shining among stars. Twinkling. Stars are twinkling in the sky. Dinner. I eat dinner, or I eat healthy dinner. Exercise number 2. Notebook work. Answer the following questions. Page number 34 and 35 of your textbook. Question number 1. Vani is crying. What does grandmother do? Answer. Grandmother takes Vani outside the house. I repeat question number 1. Vani is crying. What does grandmother do? Answer. Grandmother takes Vani outside the house. Question number 2. What does Vani see in the sky? Answer. She sees the stars and the moon. I repeat question number 2. What does Vani see in the sky? Answer. She sees the stars and the moon. Question number 3. What does Vani ask grandmother to get for her? Answer. Vani asks grandmother to get the moon for her. What does grandmother bring from the kitchen? Question number 4. Answer. Grandmother brings a big bowl of water from the kitchen. Question number 5. What does Vani see in the bowl? Vani sees the moon in the bowl. Let us repeat all the 3 questions again. What does Vani ask grandmother to get for her? Vani asks grandmother to get the moon for her. Question number 4. What does grandmother bring from the kitchen? Answer. Grandmother brings a big bowl of water from the kitchen. Question number 5. What does Vani see in the bowl? Answer. Vani sees the moon in the bowl. I hope you enjoyed reading. A sweet thank you from my side. Have a good day.